Oh, hey guys, it's me, L5, and I'm gonna show you how to make your 3DS as a drive, or disk drive, or something, whatever you want to call it. First, you need to plug in your power adapter. So, in case your power does not run out. I picked that power. Okay. And then go ahead and power on your 3DS. Okay. Now you want to go to settings.
Because I'm some of the most family-friendly home rentals and apartments.com. You have to land them on the doorstep of a welcoming dwelling. Knock, knock. Who's there? The Andersons. The Andersons who? Yes. I want to know why you're in their new home.
Okay.
Come on. Here we go.
Now I'm going to go to network on my computer right here. Right here, I put it on network to get the 3DS signal. So okay. Now what you want to do is go on data management, go to micro SD management. Gonna have to get out my password. So now you're getting to it. So see what it says here. Now you want to click OK, and now it's connecting to the network. Okay, now you want to find out where you need to connect your PC. But also, you have to look where you have to put here. That's the one you really want to connect to, your 3DS. Okay, don't want it. Okay, all you want to do is go to click on the 3DS you want to go on, and now it's going to say that it's currently connected to a PC. Now you can manage your micro SD. You can put it on sleep mode if you want. Now you have a disk drive now. Now all you want is to lay where you want it. Now you have it perfectly laid. You can check your micro SD or whatever you want to. Yeah, I don't want to get into it. But thanks for watching. Goodbye.